I'm going to show you guys how to make an air horn. Y'all ready for this? Take 3/4 inch PVC. This is about 3/4 of an inch long. You need a balloon. You need about, I have 3 feet of 3/4 inch PVC and the electrical tape. Oh. First things first. Stick this bad boy in. Oh, it's like a Chinese finger trap. You want it looking something like that. Find which side you're going to put this thing on. Put this thing on. Make sure you got a little gap right there. Electrical tape. Tape this bad boy. Nice and good, like. Ain't going nowhere. See that? Take this thing and just frickin' bend it like yonder. Tape it like that. And I think that's all you have to do. Let's find out. Wow, that took less than 3 minutes to make. And they're pretty cool. Thanks.